Hey everyone, if you're like me and trying to get started on the Maker Vidor 4000 Arduino board, you've already had some trouble. There's not a whole lot of documentation out there or explanations, and some of the tutorials that are out there are kind of lackluster and leave some gaps in how to get started. This tutorial is specifically directed towards getting started with Quartus, so that way you can start working with the FPGA directly, or at least writing code for it anyways. And I started with this tutorial here, but I found some gaps in it and wasn't able to successfully complete the setup with this tutorial. It took some fumbling around, so I figured I'd try to save everyone the trouble. So I'm going to assume here that at this point that you've already downloaded a Quartus, that it's already set up and ready to go. He does give some explanation for the IDE, but lots of places will show that. So if we start up Quartus, we're going to jump over to this home screen right here, and we're just going to leave it there for right now. If we roll down to where he gives links to the pin mapping and the IP folder, these are the links that we're going to want to use. I'm just going to open it for right now. We'll go to it in a sec. The reason why the reason why I'm creating this tutorial in the first place is because I had trouble with, taking care of the pin planner and also importing IP blocks. There's just some holes in the explanation that made it kind of difficult for me to figure out. So in order to make it easier, the cool thing is once you go over to that repo, we can roll back to the Vidor bitstream, the higher level directory. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download this as a zip. Just pull it down. And then if we jump on over to where I've got it saved, what we can see is we've got all these IP blocks and stuff ready for us. We've got a lot of files that you're going to need to get set up. The nice thing is inside the projects and then the template folder, it gives all the files that you would need to get started and off the ground. So we're going to roll over to Quartus. And if we open a project, we go back to where we had that zip saved. And this, let's see here, projects. And then we're going to pull the QPF. And that'll have everything that we need. So that way, once we jump in here, we're already configured. We've got our IP blocks all right here. We've got our pin assignments already taken care of. It's already handled for us. And then you can go ahead and get started right here. All right, good luck.